CarHelpout.com. It's the
Mobile
convenience.
Chrysler mechanic, auto car repair near me, pre-purchase vehicle inspection, and roadside assistance service. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Car Help Out here, a simple way to get a mobile mechanic service to come to you at any location at your convenience. Today, I'm diving into how mobile Chrysler mechanics are revolutionizing car repair and maintenance. Whether you're buying a used Chrysler stuck on the roadside or just need a quick repair, this is the ultimate guide for you. Don't forget, if you ever need to sell your house fast and as-is condition anywhere in the U.S., either to stop foreclosure, avoid county tax auction, or unwanted house, go to Boracina.com/car-help-out and get a relief under house burden. Let's get started. What is a mobile Chrysler mechanic? Imagine skipping the hassle of a repair shop. Mobile Chrysler mechanics bring professional services directly to your doorstep, workplace, or even the roadside. It's like having a personal mechanic on speed dial. They come equipped with advanced tools and Chrysler-specific expertise, handling everything from oil changes to engine diagnostics. Why mobile mechanics are a game changer. Why choose a mobile Chrysler mechanic? Cost effective. No shop overhead means savings for you. Expertise, certified to handle Chrysler vehicles, quick response, perfect for emergencies, pre-purchase inspections for Chrysler. Thinking about buying a used Chrysler, a Chrysler car inspection is essential. It's like a crystal ball for potential car problems. From engine diagnostics to test drives, these inspections cover every detail to ensure you're making a smart investment. Use the inspection report to negotiate a better deal. Chrysler Emergency Roadside Assistance. No one plans for a breakdown, but Chrysler Emergency Roadside Assistance Service is your safety net. Here's what they offer. No need to towing to the nearest certified repair shop. Whether it's day or night, reliable help is just a call away. Common repairs performed by mobile Chrysler mechanics. Here's what mobile Chrysler mechanics can do for you. Battery services, testing and replacements, part replacement, routine maintenance without the wait, engine diagnostics, quick solutions for engine troubles, suspension repairs, ensuring a smooth, safe ride, choosing the best Chrysler mechanic near you. Not all mechanics are created equal. Here's how to find the best one. Read reviews to see what other customers are saying. Ask about warranties. Good mechanics back their work. Verify they use Chrysler diagnostic tools. Key takeaways. Let's recap. A Chrysler car inspection is essential when buying used vehicles. Chrysler Emergency Roadside Assistance Service ensures peace of mind during unexpected breakdowns. Regular maintenance and quick repairs keep your Chrysler performing its best. CarHelpout.com is the best way to get a mobile mechanic auto car repair service shop on wheels to come to you. Whether you're stuck at home or on the side of the road, our mobile mechanics are ready to assist you. We bring the repair shop to your location to save you time and hassle. We also provide emergency vehicle roadside assistance, such as car battery jump start, flat tire road service, running out of gas service if your vehicle stops or has a problem on the side of the road or any business parking lot. We understand that car troubles can be stressful, so we aim to provide quick and efficient solutions to get you back on the road as soon as possible. Additionally, we offer pre-purchase used car buying inspection checkup services review. Whether you're buying from local dealership or private car owner seller, either from Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, automotive auction, or anywhere else, we can help you with PPI inspection. We can come to you at any location, whether it's your home driveway, your office parking lot, or even if you're stranded on the roadside.
CarHelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share your experiences with mobile Chrysler mechanics in the comments below. Stay safe and see you next time.